Hi, Mishka. You like that? Yeah? You've been a bad girl lately. You've been a really bad girl. Yes, you have. Yes, you have. Yes, you have. You killed the bird. See that bird? She killed it. She killed the bird. What do you have to say about this, Mishka? You're such a brat. You guys can notice. There are tarps. Tarp. 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 Ice. Stepping from an innocent stuffed animal. But because there's tarps, we had construction. There used to be a garden and grass and concrete. It has to be concrete and like a little gazebo thingy right there and a table and stuff. Not anymore. Because we're having all this construction. Because my grandpa is moving in. Fun. But yeah, he's moving in. See? Look through the window. It's not all frosted over. There's stuff in there. And Mishka's like, what happened to my backyard, Mom? But yeah, construction. I got an iPhone 5S, so I'm not sure if the camera quality is better or not. But we'll see. Mishka, don't go back to the dead bird. That is just so gross. Ew, no, leave it. Good girl. That's so gross. I'll have to go clean that up in a couple of minutes. Or right now. Okay, so out of the dead bird and Mishka and the house and the tarp. And me. Bye. This has been a really random, odd video.